Hello and welcome to the Victorious Planner. My name is Danielle and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be opening up every day in the April Plan-A-Day kit by Simply Sweetly Crafty. So I recently did an unboxing or a kind of a look through my most recent sticker order from Simply Sweetly Crafty, which is a Etsy shop, which you've probably heard me talk about before, but in case this is your first video of mine that you're watching, I am on the PR team for Simply Sweetly Crafty, and this was included in my most recent order. So a Plan-A-Day kit is something that Diana, the shop owner of Simply Sweetly Crafty, she came up with. So this is an original for her shop. And this is such an awesome idea because it's supposed to be sort of like an advent calendar where every day of the month you open up one of these envelopes. So you get a different sticker sheet every day of the month. And every kit, so for example, this is the April Plan-A-Day kit, and every one of her kits is loosely themed on the following month. So she said not every sticker sheet would be themed. However, if they are, it's going to be more themed for the following month. So you can plan ahead. So if there's any themed sticker sheets within these envelopes, they should be more themed for May, since this is the April kit. So instead of following the kind of the way that you're supposed to do this by opening one every day, we're just going to do this video where we just open all 31 up, and so I can show you what is inside so you can get an idea of what these are like. And then the next time I order one of these, I probably will follow it where I take day one and open it up. And I think that's a really awesome idea because, we love new stickers and you could have a new sticker sheet every day. So this is an awesome idea. But like I said, for this video, I want to just show you what a full kit is like. We're going to open every single day and you can get an idea of what these are like. So, and these envelopes, oh my gosh, they're so cute. I also, as we get ready to start opening these up, I mentioned I'm on the PR team for Diana and her store. So I do have a code, which is Danielle15, where you can get 15% off your order. Plus you can get my free sticker sheet. Let me grab it actually. My freebie sticker sheet right here with your order anytime you mention me. Also follow on Instagram, which I'll have linked below. We're always announcing the next sales that she'll be doing. And even if there's a sale where you get more than 15% off, in the comments still mention my code or mention me because you'll get this sheet with your order when you do that. Okay, so let's start diving into these. So we have day one. Again, these envelopes are just so cute. So cute. All right. Oh, this is so adorable. So springtime, so see, we are very themed around May with the flowers and the sunshine, and these are just gorgeous. So excited. Okay, day two, and the colors of these envelopes are super fun too. Ooh, and these are awesome. So I actually have the larger paper of these, sorry, what am I saying, the larger sticker sheet in these, and I love it, so I will certainly use more. But it's just a cute little, says relax, and has the girl sitting down with probably a cup of coffee. So cute. All right, day three. Boxes. Well, and these are kind of like maybe the habit tracker boxes that you could use them for, since they do have the little checkbox for each day of the week. And those are really cute designs with the flowers and the spring colors. All right, day four. Oh, these are cute. Okay, planner time, clean house, nap time, meal prep. Those will come in handy on my daily planner. Day five. Yay! Little planners, little colorful planners. Those are adorable. So far, most of these I'm noticing in her shop you can purchase a bigger sticker sheet in these as well. So if you're seeing something you like but maybe you don't want to do a Plan a Day kit, you can head over to her shop and look for the larger sticker sheets in some of these specific stickers. These are really cute. So they're shaped like flowers, which is awesome, and they have little icons on them like for washing dishes, groceries, trash, yoga, or working out. Those are cute. Day 7. Oh, so these are these are like what you can use in your wellness planner. Well, you can use them any way you want, but like I think of like your wellness planner, or if you're, you know, keeping track of how you're feeling each day and things like that. And these are cute. This one says I can't take any more. Yeah, those are cute. And as we go through these, I will say I've noticed she leaves every month's Plan a Day up on her shop. So as I'm opening these, even if we're getting into May, like her May Plan a Day kit will be out soon if it isn't up on the shop already. But you can always go back and order a previous month. So if you're loving all of the stickers you're seeing, you can still just go order this even if it's after April. These are beautiful. So more of the pastel springy type colors. We got the rainbow and the rain, the flower border, just adorable. All right, day 9. Flowers and butterflies, so cute. And I love that my nails right now are themed kind of like a lot of these stickers. All right, day 10. Oh, nice. To-dos. Yes, these will come in handy. So just the lettered to-do stickers. I can always use more of that type of stickers. That's awesome. Day 11. Bills. Bill due, electric bill, gas bill, water bill, cell phone, internet, and credit card. Those are awesome. They have the place for the amount and then the little box to check paid. I'll probably find a way to use some of those. A lot of my bills are just automatic, so I could just note when they're coming out, but I just kind of set things up automatically so I don't have to worry about actually taking the time to pay them. All right, day 12. Ooh, yes, these are awesome. Water trackers. And I do like to, for the most part, track how much water I'm drinking in my daily planner. Sometimes I do it in my work planner just since I have that one out most of the day during the week. But this is awesome. So it says hydrate in the middle, and then you can mark off, you know, either check off each little water droplet or color it in. And so I will definitely be using those. Day 13. Telephones. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. So the old rotary phones, but they're really adorable. Do any of you have a phone like this still? That would be really interesting to find out who does. We definitely don't have a landline or anything like that anymore, but these icons are still super cute and I love the colors. All right, day 14. Nice boxes with some hearts or little like header boxes. Those are cute. All right, day 15. Getting to our halfway mark here. Oh, these are cute. So we got the days of the week. Oh, that's so cute. This says order next month's Plan a Day. So a little note to remind yourself to place an order for the next Plan a Day. That is awesome. Day 16. Oh, I really like this color. The color of envelope and the color of stickers. Yay, okay, these are the weekend stickers. I really like these. I love this font, this lettering, and I love how it kind of comes, you know, starts way over here and then trails off. But I do like to use these in my usually my daily planner, but sometimes I'll throw them on a weekly spread in my social media planner too. Day 17. Okay, we have some icons. Are they Just trying to see. Oh yeah, okay. So they are really, it's kind of hard to tell because at first I thought maybe they were just border stickers, but when you look close, they're your little chores icons, and they'll just come off the page in a, like a little circle. You can see that. So those are awesome. Good for a daily planner or even in a weekly where you have maybe just a smaller box where you're notating some things. Really cute. All right, day 18. Oh, yay, these are so cute. Okay, if I can get them out. I just got a sheet slightly bigger than this as one of the tiered freebies from the order that I placed to get all of this, and I love them, so I'm very excited to have an extra small sticker sheet to have even more of these adorable cupcakes and the coffee cups. You guys know, if you've been here for very long, you know I love coffee, and I love coffee cup stickers. And those are so fun for these spring and summer months coming up. All right, day 19. These are cute too, the little bows and the bright colors. All right, day 20. Yay, planner carts. Okay, I do also have a larger sticker sheet of the planner carts, but being a planner, I can probably never have too many stickers that indicate my planning session times. So those are super cute. All right, day 21. Ooh. Okay, these are cute too, kind of our shiny, well, shiny colors, but just boxes and a few borders. Day 22. Arrows. Oh my gosh, these are cute. I actually don't think I have any arrow stickers. A lot of times I do draw arrows, kind of like this too, squiggly in my planner, but these are fun to use a sticker instead of drawing out the arrow. All right, day 23. Some more umbrellas and rainbows. Those are really cute. And maybe depending on how many, we can probably throw a whole weekly spread together with some of these, which is awesome. All right, we have more Bill Do stickers and some hearts. Those hearts are adorable. All right, day 25. Oh, more hearts. That's awesome. And these are fun, so just kind of like the little bullet point stickers or little squares. I like to use those in my social media planner, sometimes in my daily too, but like social media, if I'm listing off more things for that day, I can have little bullet points, and these will be fun to use because they're really adorable. All right, day 26. Oh, nice. We got the food flat lay stickers for meal prep or food prep. Love that. Day 27. Oh yes, I love these stickers. So these say read, and they have the book kind of flipped open with the pages flared, and I just love that. I have a bigger sticker sheet of these from her shop. I use them a lot, so I could always use more. Those are so fun. All right, day 28. Getting close to the end here. All right, we got some borders. So again, as I'm noticing, well, these even tie this theme together, but you could put a lot of these together and come up with a full weekly spread from these mini sheets. All right, day 29. Yay! Oh my gosh, these are so cute. The little kawaii, I think they're called. I'm not sure, but they have the little faces on the foods. These are so cute. I love that. Look at the two avocados. Ah, cute. All right, just a couple more. Here's day 30. Oh, this one's fun. Okay, so this is a variety, but with this cute little girl, we have a bunch of the different, you can do shopping, grocery shopping, payday, food prep, laundry, dishes, date night probably. These are so cute. I love that. All right, and finally, day 31. Some quotes. This is awesome. So don't look back. You're not going that way. That's good. I may not be there yet, but I'm closer than I was yesterday. Don't forget to smile today. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Those are awesome. Some encouraging quotes. All right, there you have it, you guys. All these little sticker sheets, 31 mini sticker sheets in a variety of things. And then, of course, the ones that were themed are a little more themed towards spring and summer with the flowers and the rain and the umbrellas. So super fun. Thank you so much for opening up these envelopes with me. I wanted you to get an idea of what to expect in a Plan a Day kit. Let me know below, would you be the type of person that would just open them all in one shot like we just did, or would you be sure to only open one per day throughout the whole month? And then also remember to watch for sales at Simply Sweetly Crafty by following me on Instagram, which will be linked below. And then remember to use my code if you are placing an order at any time that there's not a sale. And even if you're placing an order during a sale, just mention me in the comments of your order to get my freebie sticker sheet. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.